Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nangmela Mustika. In this occasion, the topic of my presentation is about teaching writing descriptive text by using FAIR model to the 8th grade student at SMP Negeri 3 Batu Jajar. In the first, I will explain about background of the research. Writing is one of the most essential basic skill in teaching English because communication can be done by speaking and writing. From the result of the learning process carried out by the researcher while teaching practice program, the researcher found that writing English took much work for all students. Students felt they needed more confidence in constructing sentence correctly. Therefore, the researchers is interested in conducting a research entitled Teaching Writing Descriptive Text Using FAIR Model to the 8th grade student at SMP 3 Batu Jajar. In this study, the researcher focused on teaching writing by describing a person, fruit, animal, form in a box into correct sentence through the FAIR model. Research question. The first, how is the scenario and the implementation of teaching writing using FAIR model? The research was done in the 8th grade of junior high school in Batu Jajar that consists of 35 students with the specification of 14 males and 21 females. This research was conducted in 3 meetings. The first meeting was conducted on January 27, 2020. The research replaced the teacher who usually teaches the class. First, the researcher greeted and introduced himself. Before starting today's material, the researcher asked the student to take a test that was personal biodata using English, which was considered as a pretest. First, the researchers introduced the FAIR model to all students. There was a question and answer session at this moment between students and teacher. Some of the students were quite active, but they found it difficult to express what was on their mind in English. After that, the researchers staff material about descriptive text using the FAIR model. Students were divided into several groups consisting of 4 students per group. Students followed the rules, but not all of them were involved because this was the first meeting with the researcher. The second meeting was conducted on Thursday, January 30, and followed by 35 students. In the learning activity, the researcher reviewed the last material. The researchers greeted the student as usually. The students followed teachers' instruction and were willing to follow the learning activity. They were interested in reviewing the FAIR model. After reviewing the last lesson, then the researcher continued the lesson using FAIR model. After a little bit of explanation, the student practiced the FAIR model. They made a group that consists of 4 students. During the group work, the student understood the learning instruction and could write in English by asking the teacher about certain word in English that they wanted to write. However, some of the students did not understand because they did not pay attention to the teacher explanation. But overall, They were interested in the Freire model and become more confident in writing. In the end of the lesson, the researcher reviewed the material and give a chance to the student to ask some questions related to material, and the research also explain the planning for the next meeting. And the third meeting was conducted on Monday, February. At the third meeting, the researcher greeted the student. As usual, the researcher started the study using at the Freire model. The students were assigned to make assignment independently. Students look very interested in learning by using the Freire model because they were active and involved during the teaching and learning process. They asked the teacher question whenever they did not understand the English of certain word at the end. The teacher gave them a writing test. It was considered as a final test. The results are very different compared to the pretest. Before using the Freire model technique, they were not sure that they could write English words with confidence. But after the treatment, they were very enthusiastic to learning writing. Objective of the research. The objective of the research are the first to describe the scenario and implementation of teaching writing using Freire model. The second to describe the teacher and student response toward teaching writing using Freire model. And the last to investigate difficulties in teaching writing using the Freire model. Literature review. Definition of writing. In general, writing is considered as a one-way transmission from writer mind to the working out of a graphic display, as indicated by Harmer, 2004. Writing is an approach to create language and express thoughts, sentiments, and suppositions. Harmer, 2001. Additionally, makes reference to that writing includes arranging what we will compose. Definition of teaching, according to Huda 2013, teaching is an activity that spread information for the learning process. In short, the teacher has to give the information to their student to reach the aims of the lesson. The meaning the teaching writing. Teaching writing is teaching students to write about something, guide and lead them to understand to be a good writer. Carwell and Mabler, 2004, state that teaching writing provides opportunities for students to develop clear thinking skills. Next, descriptive text. The genre of describing is one of the fundamental function of any language system and one of the first skills emergent language user learn to control. It is also one of the most widely used genre across all of the learning are Knapp and Wan King, 2005. And the next definition of Freire model. The Freire model is a word categorization chart that helps students analyze important attributes and characteristics of a definition and the non-example as well. In the center of the Freire model, students select or are assigned. The next is a literature review. Advantages of Freire model. Rahmadani 2003. Students can independently understand the vocabulary being discussed. Second, students are more focused on the material because using the FAIR model involves students directly. Third, learning English becomes more fun. Fourth, FAIR model can be stored and reused. And the fifth, this learning model guides students in understanding vocabulary well. And the last, develop information decided by student during the lesson. About procedure of FAIR model card 2007. The first, teachers should first distribute copies of FAIR model graphic organized, which is a concept or a single word depending on the needs of the student and the lesson objective. Student must determine the definition of the concept. Student can use their textbook or a variety or researchers to develop a definition that is clear, concise, and easy to understand. Teacher helps the student to determine the characteristic or attribute of this concept. And the last, determine is a class with the concept is and what is not. Encourage students to generate their own example and allow time for students to discuss their finding with the class. Research methodology. Methodology is qualitative descriptive research. The method is the research step to collect the data information. In other words, a method is a style of conducting research work determined by the nature of the problem. The writer used qualitative method in the research according to Patton 2002 in Aziza and Alpia 2019. Qualitative research is characterized by its purpose relating to understanding some aspect of social life and its method, which in general generated words rather than numbers as data for analysis. The writer used a descriptive qualitative design. Descriptive qualitative research is a research in a naturally occurring settings. From the previous explanation, qualitative research methods are approaches that the findings are not obtained through statistical or the form of calculation, which result in finding obtained from data collected using various means. This tool include observation and interviews, but they may also include document, book, and video casts. The reason why the writer chose this method was useful to get real data during research. So after getting the data, then analysis. Also, descriptive research is used in this study because it is looks so right that the writer could describe the fair research of data and good information from expert opinions and based on observation of interview that could be view is a data that could be helpful in the study. Data research is also limited not only to data collection or information from multiple sources, but the data obtained can also be analyzed, and thus the discussion of problems and data analysis will be easy to understand. Based on that explanation, the study used a qualitative approach to explain the result of the research. Subject of the research. The subject of the research was class 8B of Junior High School 3 in Batu Jajar. In the academic year 2019 and 2020, which consisted of 14 males and 21 females. There were 35 in total. Most of them were Sundanese and were at the same age, 14 years old. They were chosen based on the consider of the English teacher. And instrument, observation, questionnaire, and test. The first observation. Observation is one of the instruments to obtain data to answer the research question of number 1. How is the scenario and implementation of teaching writing descriptive text using the Freire model? In the research, the researcher was a teacher, the observer, Guru Pamong, was the guidance teacher, the English teacher at the school. In the observation section, in the observer used an observation sheet to assess the researcher and student activities while teaching in the classroom. The contents of the observation sheet are the aspect of the activity where the observer writes down the researchers and students. And the student activities while learning and describing what the observer heard and sees when the learning takes place. This research observed 3 meetings for January 2007, 27 to February 13, 2020. Each meeting was about 90 minutes. Student attitudes, response, and activeness were observed, monitored during the process. The data gained was then categorized in each meeting. It was then analyzed and interpreted. The second, questionnaire. The questionnaire is one of the additional instruments to collect data to answer the second research question. What are the teachers and student response toward teaching writing using the Freire model? 35 students filled out the questionnaire. In the questionnaire, the researchers gave open question about the difficulties in learning writing using Freire model. In the form of question and responses, the researchers used the present option strongly, disagree, silently disagree, agree, strongly agree to answer the question. In this research, the questionnaires were given all the end of the meeting. The data gained from the questionnaire was calculated a percentage and categorized based on student response indicators. The next step was interpreting the data by using the related theories. And last, about tests. The test is used to collect data on all students to answer the third research question. What are the student difficulties learning writing descriptive text using Freire model? It is used to identify student difficulties in learning to write English. It was done at the last meeting. Chronology of this test, students are instructed to fill in the Freire model table provided, describe the answer from the table, and assess using the Freire model. The writing rubric. This research gave a test at the end of the meeting on February 13, 2020. It was conducted in 45 minutes. The test was given to find out student difficulties and to discover how many students score past the standard minimum score the data were, then students support the data discussion. And the next finding, the implementation of teaching writing descriptive text using FAIR model. The implementation of teaching writing descriptive text using FAIR model was conducted in 3 meetings. Teaching writing consisted of: the first, the teacher explained the implication of the FAIR model to the students. The second, the teacher gave an example first about how to work on the FAIR model table by taking one of the vocabulary example. And the third, the teacher divided the student into several discussion groups. The student discussed to determine the meaning of vocabulary with the FAIR model. And last, the teacher and the student made conclusion about vocabulary learning that identify using the FAIR model. And the second finding, student and teachers respond toward teaching writing descriptive text using FAIR model. The responses of the teacher and the student were positive. The teacher said the learning to write using the FAIR model was successful and effective. The teacher said in the interview that FAIR model did not make students bored and kept students interested in learning. The majority of the students showed positive responses. They said that FAIR model helped them understand the learning material easier. And the last finding about student difficulties in learning writing descriptive text using FAIR model. The result of the data, some students did not feel confident in completing the FAIR model task on time. From the post-test data, the number of students with a maximum score of 4 for each element was much better than the pre-test score chart in the second table, and the pretest score chart in the third table. The conclusion is, in the research that has been done, applying the FAIR model method in learning to write descriptive text was successful. The strategy was carried out in 3 meetings. The steps of using the FAIR model learning model are: the first, the teacher made a FAIR model table, and the second, asked students to determine the vocabulary discussed in the FAIR model table, and the third, the teacher helped the student determine the table definition, characteristics, and other orders. And the last, the teacher guided the students to discuss examples and non-examples with their group mates. Each lesson was carried out based on the scenario in the lesson plan previously prepared by the researcher. Student and teacher responses to the lesson were positive. Students felt that learning using the FAIR model made writing activity easier. The teacher said that she did not find any obstacle in teaching writing descriptive text using the FAIR model. The test data showed the post-test mean score was increased. The percentage of students who passed the KKM was also increased. However, the lowest score for everything aspect in the pre-test and post-test remained the same. The lowest score was in the grammar part. The researchers conclude the grammar was the most challenging part of student in learning writing using FAIR model. And the last about suggestion for the teacher in applying the FAIR model for teaching writing descriptive text. The researcher suggests to divide students into several groups. The groups at least consist of 3 or 4 students so that they can all work together. For students, the first point, the students should practice a lot of writing descriptive text in order to increase the knowledge and information. And last, the students are suggested to practice their writing by using FAIR model. Moreover, this strategy gives students opportunity to explore their knowledge of the paragraph, and also this strategy requires the student to be active. And for researcher, in this research, the researcher focused on the application of FAIR model in teaching writing descriptive text. Therefore, it is suggested for the next researcher to investigate this technique toward other English skills such as listening, reading, or speaking. Maybe enough for presentation for me. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.